So you better subscribe after this video because I'm making a fool out of myself on the internet.
I want to do carpool karaoke. Okay, you take over the aux cord. How did I freaking get this tassel on here? I don't need this.
Weird.
Okay, ready?
Ew, I look so ugly and fat. Hi.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. We have T-minus 1.5 hours till our shift, so we decided to kill time and do some carpool karaoke. Oh, by the way, this is Nessa.
Hi. I'm Nessa.
Oh,
We start at 12 to 8, guys.
12
on
to
Friday.
8. Today's hits.
She doesn't understand.
Let's do this.
Sorry. Are you really gonna put this on YouTube?
Yes, I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Oh, I can't do a U-turn here? And I bike up to the road, down the streets right through the city.
That used to be my own preschool.
No way, really?
Yeah.
I skipped preschool.
She's driving crazy. Wanna know? Oh no no.
Oh no! Where am I going? Oh my gosh!
You might want to turn around.
Where? Where am I going? Watch us, we're gonna head to the freeway and I'm gonna freak out. Amen.
It's complicated.
I don't know the song. Is this country?
No,
Oh!
it's advertisement.
Shakira, Shakira. I never really knew that she could dance like this. She make up her head one. I can see your body moving. And it's got me. Como se llama? Bonita. Shakira, Shakira. What it do, baby boy? Yeah, little mama, you looking good. I see you wanna play with a player from the hood. Come holler at me, you got it like that. Big Snoop Dogg with the lead pussycat.
You're loosen up my buttons, baby. But you keep frontin'. Say what you gon' do to me. But I ain't seen nothing. I'm telling you to loosen up my buttons.
FYI, I think the guy in front of us was looking in the mirror, looking at us very weird. Just saying, it's okay.
All the right things all night long, but I can't seem to get you over here to help take this time.
This is like high school.
Yeah.
This is like middle school.
Comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Everybody down on the dance floor.
Sorry. This one.
We know you need Wi-Fi.
Oh, damn it!
You need
I love this song!
for free
I
Wi-Fi.
love when I have free Wi-Fi!
Even while you're
Yes! What is it? Ah! Oh, baby, baby! Because my loneliness is killing me. And I must confess, I still believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. My God, Becky, look at her butt. It is so big. She looks like one of those rap guys' girlfriends.
I like
Big butts and I can't help it. You are the first can't deny. When a girl walks in with anything in your face, you get sprung. Oh, no, we're at work. No, we're at work.
You know this one. Woo, 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 woo. See? Ready?
No. Oh my gosh. No.
Rock your body. Yes. That's Lily's truck.
No way.
We should write it.
Dang, Lily. That is a truck
Hi,
right
Lily,
there.
if you see
Hi, Lily.
If you see this,
Hi, Lily. If you're watching this, we love you.
oh guys, it's Friday the 13th, and we're working on Friday the 13th. from 12 to 8. We're having technical difficulties, so I can't even talk. So bye until we do this.
Few times I've been around that track, so it's not just gonna happen like that. 'Cause there ain't no holler back, girl. Ain't no holler back, girl.
Oh, you're gonna know this one. Ready? 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 Hello?
She got her own thing.
That's why I love her, Miss Independent. Won't you come and spend a little time?
Get your Mexican side.
Might as well.
They call me Macarena. When they say estoy buena. They all want me. They can't help me.
What is this? What is this? It's lit! Oh, it's gonna see this. He's gonna laugh at me.
Contaré la historia de una famosa persona. Todos la conocen con el apodo de Chona. Todos la conocen con el apodo de Chona. Oh, morena, ¿cómo está tu cucu? ¿A dónde vas a bailar? Ámate con titanes. Dame, compa. Miren qué mujeres están por allá. Vénganse la rueda, la rueda. Agua de té, macarile, rile, rile. Agua de té, macarile, rile, roy. Agua de té, macarile, rile, rile. Agua de té, macarile, rile, roy.
When you fail Spanish class. Oh.
Oh,
Hola.
that's all you know.
Hola! Well, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to follow her on Twitter, Instagram, something.
Facebook, whatever.
Everything.
I don't post anything that much. She does. Follow her again.